Hi guys, my name is Bethany and today I'm going to show you the basics of planting seeds. Gardening is a great way to get your hands dirty and learn more about plants, and today I'm going to show you how to get started with tomatoes, basil, and marigolds. First thing you want to do is choose your right soil. For your garden soil, you want to make sure that your garden soil has sand, silt, and clay, and also compost. This soil is the healthiest option for plants in your garden. Now that you have your soil, now you can plant your seeds. But when you're planting your seeds, you need to think about your spacing. Spacing is important for your seeds so they grow separate and healthy and don't grow over each other. Tomato spacing should be spaced 4 feet apart and only 2 seeds per hole. With basil spacing, you should leave about 12 to 16 inches between each hole and 1 seed per hole. With marigold spacing, you should leave about 12 inches between each hole and 3 to 4 seeds per hole. Last step, watering. We want to make sure our seeds have enough water and are able to get started on spreading their roots. We don't want to drown our seeds, but we also want to give them enough. For example, if you are watering a seedling in a pot, pour slowly until there is drainage out the bottom. With each seed, you will see your first sprout at a different rate. Basil takes roughly 3 to 5 days, tomatoes 5 to 10, and marigolds 5 to 8 days. Now with all your new knowledge in planting seeds, you can start your own garden today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.